Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about Hermes and OpenCrow, two AI agents giants. It is very interesting for me as it looks like a battle of innovation which will define the future of intelligent systems. From my perspective, comparing these two standalone AI agent frameworks matter. For example, Hermes is a self-improving digital assistant that learns and adapts to you. On the other hand, OpenCrow is all about understanding you and growing with its users. This comparison helps you to develop a sense of what an autonomous AI agent actually is, and choose a strategy based on your actual project needs in the future. Whether you go with one of these two options or look beyond them. First thing first, what we need to know is how do these agents remember. In terms of mechanism, Hermes employs a qualitative memory, learning from every interaction, remembering episodes, and building procedural skills. It's just like a human brain, constantly processing and adapting. OpenCrow, however, uses state-based memory, meticulously managing session data and persistent storage for precise, repeatable automation tasks. Then, when we're talking about skills, Hermes shines with automatic skill extraction and self-improvement, involving its capabilities autonomously. On the other hand, OpenCrow boasts over 50 billion integrations and robust plugin development, giving developers an expansive toolbox for any automation challenge. I think workflow is where their core philosophies diverge. Hermes thrives on a skill-based, lateral flow execution, adapting intuitively as tasks unfold. OpenCrow provides a programmable workflow engine where developers define precise triggers, conditions, and actions, offering meticulous control over every automated step. And in terms of interaction, Hermes acts as a true conversational parlor, understanding and planning through natural language, making interaction feel intuitive and human-like. OpenCrow is an automation hub where you define rules and configurations, giving developers granular control over every automated process. Last but not least, it's about tech and community. I think this part is critical because it facilitates you to find resources and then find answers when you come across some problems. Hermes agent primarily leverage Python, a powerhouse for AI development, and boasts over 28,000 GitHub stars. OpenCrow, built on TypeScript, signals a modern, time-safe approach often favored in large-scale applications, commanding an impressive 60K plus GitHub stars. Anyway, whichever you prefer, both Hermes agent and OpenCrow agent offer incredible pathways for AI innovation. The choice at the end is yours to make based on your project's needs. So follow Louis Python for the latest in agentic AI, machine learning, quantum, and blockchain. Stay tuned.
Did you vibe code smarter today?